Welcome to Lily Artist English. In this video I will show you how you can paint a butterfly flower design. So let's begin step by step. I am painting this design on black cloth and using round brush to paint this design. The color combination we are using here is a white and purple. You can use white, light purple and dark purple, or you can just apply white first, then apply purple and blend it nicely, and then after blending apply once more time purple, and here you go, this is your shade, and this is how you can paint a beautiful butterfly flower. It looks so cute and very easy to paint. So with the same method we will paint step by step all the flower. You can also use flat brush if you want to, but here I am using a round brush, and I have shown you in the starting of the video which number round brush I am using here. So I hope you noticed it well and understood. So here I am done with painting this cute little flower. Now it's time to paint our leaves. For painting leaves I am using the same brush. You can wash it and clean it, then you can use it for leaves also, okay? And the color combination here I'm using is light green, white and sap green. You can see the bottle and understand what type of color I'm using, okay? And how I'm painting this leaf, let me explain you so you can understand easily. So first of all I am filling light green color like that, and then applying white color, After that I am using sap green color to shade it in darker shade. Okay, if you understand Hindi language, you can visit my main channel Lily Artist Fabric Works and watch. I have provided 2 videos of leaves painting only, this special video for leaf painting, and there I have explained very well how you can paint different leaves. So make sure to subscribe this channel if you understand only English, and if you understand Hindi English both, make sure to visit that channel too. Now let's paint step by step to find out how beautiful this cute design will look after painting completely. So yes, let me paint these all and keep watching. And this is how you can paint a very beautiful design very easily. I hope you understand the process. If you like this design, like the video, comment how you feel about this design and what you want to see in future. Keep watching, keep learning. See you all in the next video. Till then, take care. Bye bye.